Hi, good day. Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe my TikTok page. Thank you so much.
Hello students, happy learning. Our lesson for today is basic concept of sets. Our objective first, define and identify a set. Second, identify a well-defined set. Third, write the elements of a set. Fourth, describe a set using the roster method and set builder notation. Fifth, differentiate the different relations on sets. And last, find the cardinality and number of sets of a set. So for that, below are some objects. I want you to observe these objects. So you are going to group them as you see according to their characteristics and label each group. So ibig sabihin yan, igugrupo natin ito base sa kanilang pagkakatulad. So with that, we are going to divide group 1, group 2, and group 3. I want you to observe these objects. So I put here the second, observe the objects. With that, if you already group them, you are going to classify. Ano kaya ang tawag sa group 1 na yan? Ano naman ang tawag sa group 2? Ano naman ang tawag sa group 3? Because we are going to group according to their characteristics and label. Ano kaya ang tawag natin doon sa group 1 na to? Kung meron tayong banana, grapes, and apple. We can name this, and also we have the pineapple. We can name that as a group of fruits. What about yung group 2 naman? Meron tayong zebra, lion, and yung horse. Ano ang tawag kaya sa grupo na ito? Group number 2, that is group of animals. What about group 3? Okay, as you can see, this group 3, we can name as vehicles. Meaning to say, we have group 1, group of fruits, group 2, group of animals, and group 3, group of vehicles. Based on the observation that you have, bibigyan ngayon natin ng kahulugan or meaning ang ibig sabihin ng salitang set. What is a set? When we talk about the set, this is simply a well-defined group or collection of distinct object. Take note, isa-isahin natin. Pag sinabi po natin well-defined, kailangan kaya natin siyang pangalanan, kaya natin siyang tukuyin, at meron po silang grupo. Okay, remember, we classify them according to their characteristics and distinct object. When we talk about the distinct object, meron silang identity, no? Pagkakakilanlan, naiisa lang yon. Okay? So, with that, the objects called the elements or members of a set. Ibig sabihin yan, pag tinawag kong ano-ano ba yung mga elements sa group of fruits. We have the banana, grapes, pineapple, and apple. Ang tawag po doon sa mga binanggit ko ay elements or pwede natin sabihin na members sila ng set ng fruits. Same with the set of animals. We have the horse, lion, and the zebra. Okay? So now, since we already know what is set, we are going to identify which of the following sets are well defined. Let's have number 1. The set of all large numbers. So bago natin masagot ito kung set ba siya, well-defined ba siya or not well-defined, kailangan balikan natin yung definition. Pag sinabi natin set of all large numbers, can you identify those numbers? Kung kaya mo sagutin, well-defined po siya. Kapag hindi, not well-defined. So that is automatic. Okay, you're going to answer first. That is not well-defined because according to the definition, kailangan well-defined po siya. Since hindi natin matukoy yung mga large number, no? Marami po kasi ang large number. Okay? Iba-iba tayo ng pananaw kung ano yung large number sa atin. So, you cannot identify. Let's have number 2. The set of factors of 10. Can you give me the factors of 10? Yes, di ba? Meron tayong mga 1 times 10, factors po siya ng 10. 2 times 5, also a factors of 10. Meaning to say, kapag kaya mo siyang tukuyin or pangalanan, that is automatic a well-defined. Okay? So, let's have number 3, the set of beautiful teachers. Pag hiningi ko yung mga set ng beautiful teachers, di ba? Ang tanong doon, kaya mo ba siyang pangalanan? If that is no, understood that is not well-defined. Bakit kaya siya not well-defined? Because when we talk about the beautiful teachers, we have the physical appearance and yung panloob na katangian natin. No? So you cannot identify kung saan nga ba siya doon. Kaya that is not well-defined. So let's have number 4, the set of days in a week. Pag sinabi ko, can you give me the days in a week? Diba meron tayong Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. There are 7 days. Ibig sabihin nyo, kapag kaya mo siyang pangalanan, automatic, that is well-defined. Okay. And last number, the set of presidents. Pag hiningi ko, can you give me the set of presidents? Ang tanong doon, di ba mag-iisip ka muna? Ano-ano ba yung mga president? Di ba hindi mo siya ma-identify kung ano ba yung president na to? So meaning to say that is not well-defined. Bakit kaya siya not well-defined? Because hindi po naka-specific dito kung anong tinutukoy na presidente. Presidente po ba yan ng Pilipinas? Presidente ba yan ng classroom? Presidente ba yan ng club? So you cannot identify that this is broad. Kaya not well-defined po siya. Okay? So with that, a set is usually named with a capital letter and they are described in 2 ways. Ang tawag po doon ay roster method and the other one is set builder notation or tinatawag siyang rule method. Okay, ito yung definition natin. When we talk about the rule method or set builder notation, it is a method by describing. Pag nakita natin yung salitang describe, ibig sabihin niyan, binibigay mo lang yung rule niya. Yung set builder notation yon. Describing the common characteristics of the elements of the set without listing. Ibig sabihin niyan, nakadescribe lang po yung mga elements na yon na tinutukoy. Okay, so example natin. A is a set of counting numbers less than 10. O, di ba? Pag nakita mo yung statement na yan, understood, alam mo na yung tutukoy because it's already said that counting numbers down na mas mababa sa 10. Ano-ano ba yung mga counting numbers natin? Di ba meron tayo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Kasi sabi less than 10. Mas maliit sa 10. Okay. So, dyan pa lang, alam mo na yung tinutukoy niya na mga counting numbers less than 10. Dito naman tayo sa roster method. Dito naman, pag sinabi natin roster method, ito yung method kung saan naglilista ka. Ano yung nililista mo or listing? Listing each element of the set inside the symbol. Ito yung open-close braces. In listing the elements of the set, tandaan natin, kapag nilista mo yung mga element doon sa loob ng open-close braces mo, kailangan each distinct element. Hindi pwedeng maulit. Kaya nga sabi niya, listed once. Hindi pwedeng madoble. And the order of the elements does not matter. Ibig sabihin lang yan, pag nilista mo, kailangan wala siyang kaparehas doon sa loob ng open-close braces. Regardless of the order. Each element is separated by comma and enclosed by braces. Ganoon po kung paano tayo magpangalan or magsulat ng elements sa loob ng open-close brace. So, ito yung example natin. A is equal to, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Kung mapapansin natin, di ba, doon sa rule or set builder notation, naka-describe lang po siya. Pero pag hiningi ko, can you give me the set of counting numbers less than 10? Ililista mo na siya. Ang tawag na doon kapag nilista mo ay roster method. Kung makikita nyo yung kanyang connection from rule method, you're going to make it roster method. Okay, let's have another example. Describe the following sets using set builder notation and roster method. We have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So with that, ito po yung magiging sagot po natin dyan. So first, sa column natin na set builder notation or rule method, we have this. A, pag binasa ko po itong symbol na to, read as set A is the set of all x such that, ito pong slash na to, ang tawag po dyan ay such that x is an odd number less than 11. Diba? Madali nating tandaan kapag set builder notation siya, naka-describe lang po yung tinutukoy na elements. Hindi siya nakalista. Pero pag tinanong ko, can you give me the set of odd numbers less than 11? Pero ang tanong, ano ba yung odd number? When we talk about the odd number, ito po yung number na not divisible by 2. Ililista mo ngayon yung mga number na hindi divisible by 2 na mas mababa sa 11. Okay, so eto na ngayon yung sagot natin sa roster method. We have this. Ayan. Set A is equal to the elements are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, remember this is odd number. Let's have another example. Set B is equal to, read as, set B is the set of all x such that, yung slash na to, no? Such that x is a color in the rainbow. Diba? Understood, alam mo na yung tinutukoy niya na color in the rainbow. Ililista natin gamit yung roster method. So, eto ngayon yung sagot natin dito sa column of roster method. We have the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. But make sure, don't forget, kailangan separated by comma, enclosed by braces. Kapag hindi po nailagay yung comma na yan, mag-iisang color lang yan kasi magdudugtong. Make sure you have to follow the rule on how to write the elements in a set using the roster method. Let's have another example. For letter C, I mean set C, read as set C is the set of all x such that x is a factor of 8. Okay, ibig sabihin yan, yung tinutukoy po dito, ano ba yung mga numbers na pag minultiply ko, yung dalawang yun na number, ang product po nila is 8. We call that factor. Diba? Naka-set builder notation siya. Ililista natin ngayon siya gamit yung roster method. So, these are the factors of 8. 1 times 8, 2 times 4. Meaning to say there are 4 elements. We have this 1, 2, 4, 8. Kailangan meron siyang separated by comma and enclosed by braces. And take note, no, capital letter po yung mga pangalan ng set natin. Don't forget. Let's have letter D or set D. Read set D is the set of all x such that x is a vowel in the English alphabet. So understood, alam na natin yung hinihingi dito sa set D. Yung element natin ay vowel. Ano-ano ba yung mga vowel natin? Ilista natin. Using the roster method, we have this set of vowels, or that is A, E, O, U. Okay? Don't forget to capitalize the name of the set, enclosed by braces and separated by comma. And last example, we have this. Read set E is the set of all x such that, remember, pag tinawag natin such that, yun po yung basa dito sa slash na to. Such that x is a letter in the word happy. Okay, ibig sabihin yan, yung mga letra daw na nasa salitang happy. So, naka-describe siya or that is set builder notation. So, ililista natin siya using the roster method. That is now our answer. We have set A is equal to HAPY. You are going to observe. Kung mapapansin natin dito, di ba meron tayong HAPPY. Ito, pag nilista ko yung elements niya, we have HAPY. Bakit kaya isang letter P na lang siya? Remember, the definition of set, kailangan distinct element dapat po. Ano ibig sabihin ng distinct? Listed once. Hindi pwedeng maulit yung nasa loob na ng enclosed braces mo, regardless of the order. Kaya nga, isang P lang ang pwede mong ilagay dyan, separated by comma and enclosed by braces. These are now the roster method of this given set using the set builder notation. Okay, so now, meron tayong tinatawag sa set na cardinality of a set. Pag sinabi natin cardinality, tandaan natin yung naka-underline word, number of elements. Ibig sabihin, pag hiningi ko, ano ba yung cardinality ng set mo? Hiningi ko yung bilang or number of elements na nasa set mo. If A is a set, the cardinality of a set is denoted by, ito po yung kung paano natin i-denote, no, or pangalanan. Yung N, this is a cardinality. Pag tinawag ko, pag binasa ko to, cardinality of set A, yun yung ibig sabihin nun. Let's have example. Find the cardinality of the following sets. We have this. Set A, I have here, the elements are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay? Kung mapapansin natin, balikan natin yung way ng writing of elements, no? This is a roster method. Remember, naka-roster method po siya. So, gagawin natin ngayon siyang bibilangin natin ngayon yung elements niya. Or that is the cardinality. The number of cardinality of elements in set A is 5. Kasi meron tayong 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There are 5 cardinality of this set A. Ganun lamang po kung paano mag-identify. Or we can name this or write in a symbol, cardinality of set A is equal to 5. Because there are 5 elements. For set B, number 2, we have, pag binasa ko po ito, x such that x is a number between 5 and 9. Ibig sabihin niyan, ano ba yung mga number na nasa pagitan po ng 5 tsaka 9? Ibig sabihin niyan, the number of cardinality of numbers between 5 and 9 is 3. Tatlo daw yung number na nasa pagitan. Ano ba yung mga yon? We have 6, 7, 8. Hindi nakasali yung 5 tsaka 9 kasi sabi dyan between. Kaya there are only 3 cardinality. Isusulat lang natin siya sa symbol. Cardinality of set B is equal to 3. Okay? Ganun lang kung paano magpangalan or mag-identify ng cardinality of the given set. So another example, number 3. The set B, we have the dog, cat, horse, tiger, cow, pig. So all you have to do is, pag hinihingi ang cardinality, bibilangin mo lang yung kanyang elements doon sa set B. So meaning to say, the cardinality or the number of cardinality of animals in set B is 6. Kasi meron tayong 6 na animals doon sa set B. Or we can write that in symbol, cardinality of set B is equal to 6. Ang sagot, 6 po ang cardinality. Let's have number 4. So, kung mapapansin natin, yung example 1, 2, 3, naka-roster method. Dito naman sa number 4, naka-set builder notation. Pag binasa ko to, x such that x is a letter in the word yellow. So, meaning to say, bibilangin natin yung letter niya. That is the cardinality. The number of cardinality of the letters in the word yellow is 5. Bakit kaya siya 5? Di ba nakasulat yung salitang yellow? Pag binilang mo dito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, the definition of set is well-defined, distinct object. Kailangan hindi pwede maulit yung letter or number or element. Kaya nga, 5 lang po yung kanyang cardinality. Na-double kasi yung L, kaya isa lang ang count nun. So that is written in symbol, the cardinality of set C is equal to 5. That is now the answer or the cardinality of set C. So another concept, meron po tayong tinatawag na empty set or the other name is null set. Ano naman ang ibig sabihin ng null set? When we talk about the null set, it is a set which does not contain. Ibig sabihin nun, hindi bahagi doon sa element is called an empty set or null set. In roster method, it is denoted by the symbol, ito. Isusulat lang natin siya kapag empty yung set natin, pwede siyang open, close braces lang, walang laman sa loob, kaya nga siya empty. Or eto na lang symbol, pwede naman to. So we call this empty or null set. So an empty set is a finite. Tandaan natin when we talk about the finite, since the number of elements or the cardinality in an empty set is finite, which is 0. Siyempre, kapag empty yan, ang bilang niya is 0. Wala nga siyang laman. Example, W is equal to the set of whole numbers less than 0. Ang tanong dyan, meron ba tayong whole numbers na mas mababa sa 0? Okay, wala po tayong numbers na whole numbers mas mababa sa 0 because that is empty. Okay, kapag empty po yung sagot natin, susulat lang natin na open close braces or pwede naman itong symbol na to. Meaning to say, there is no whole number less than 0. Therefore, it is empty set or null set. Kasi di ba remember, pag less than 0, negative na yon. Kaya nga wala tayong whole number less than 0. Let's have number 2. M is equal to x such that x is a composite number less than 4. Remember, when we talk about the composite number, ito po yung meron siyang 2 or more factors. So meaning to say, meron bang composite number less than 4? Okay. Less than 4. Kung mapapansin natin, di ba? Ano ba yung less than 4? 3, 2, 1. Meron ba dong 2 or more factors? Wala. Kaya nga, that is automatic empty. There is no composite number less than 4. Therefore, it is empty or null set. Ganun lang siya kasimple. Susulat nyo lang siya as empty, yung symbol natin. So, another concept, we all have this equal sets and equivalent sets. Ano ang pagkakaiba ng equal sa equivalent sets? Unahin natin ang salitang equal set. When we talk about the equal set, two sets are said to be equal if all elements of set A are in set B. Ibig sabihin yan, kapag sinabing equal set, yung kailangan yung element nung nasa set A, kailangan makikita mo parehas exactly the same elements na nasa set B. The symbol denote an equal is this, yung equal symbol natin. Okay, let's have example para makita natin yung yan. So I have here number 1, set A is equal to yung elements sa set A, we have CAR or yung car. Set B, we have this ARC or art. Kung mapapansin natin, di ba, ang tanong, equal sets ba siya or hindi? Balikan natin yung definition. Ang tanong lang dyan, exactly, are they exactly the same elements? So that is yes. Kasi meron siyang si A, meron din si B. Merong A, si A, meron din si B. Merong R, si A, same with the B. Ibig sabihin niyan, sets A and B contains exactly the same elements. Therefore, we can say that set A is equal to set B. Ganyan lang po yung answer natin. Let's have number 2. You're going to observe. Set M, we have the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, while set N, the elements are 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kung mapapansin natin, lagi mong tatanungin sa sarili natin, no? Are they exactly the same elements? If that is yes, understood, set M and N contains exactly the same elements. Therefore, we can say that set M is equal to set N. Parehas po kasi ang elements nila. Ngayon, punta naman tayo doon sa equivalent set. When we talk about equivalent, tandaan natin equivalent sets are two sets are said to be equivalent sets if they have exactly or same number of cardinality. Meaning to say, same cardinality. Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng cardinality? Balikan natin kanina. Pag sinabing cardinality, contain the same number of elements. Ang titignan lang natin sa equivalent, yung bilang ng element nila. Hindi kinakailangan exactly the same. You're going to observe or refer to the number of elements. The symbol denote to equivalent set is this, yung alon, no? Okay, let's have example. Set A, the elements are CAR. Set B, the elements are yung ARC or ARC. Ang titignan mo lang dyan, yung bilang ng element. Ilang element ba si set? Set A, di ba meron siyang 3. Ilang element ba si set B? Meron din siyang 3. Ibig sabihin yan, ang tanong, equal ba yan or equivalent? Since they have the same number of cardinality, ang sagot po natin ay sets A and B contains the same number of elements. Therefore, set A is equivalent. Ito po yung symbol natin. Equivalent to set B. Ibig sabihin, pares po yung number ng cardinality nila. Let's have number 2. I have here set M. The elements are 1, 3, 5, 7. Ito po yung set of odd numbers. Remember, not divisible by 2. Ito namang set M, set of letters in the word care or yung C-A-R-E. Ang tanong dyan, para hindi ka malito, pag sinabing equivalent, titignan mo lang yung bilang ng cardinality. Ilan ba yung elements ni set M? There are 4. Diba? 1, 3, 5, 7, 4 yon. Doon sa set N, meron din siyang 4. Ibig sabihin yan, automatic, kailangan ma-identify natin na set M and N contains the same number of elements or cardinality. Therefore, set M is equivalent, ito yung symbol, to set N. Yan lang po yung sagot natin. Okay, now, so we are going to state whether the given statement is true or false. Equal sets are always equivalent. That is true. Bakit kaya siya true? Kasi di ba pag sinabi natin equal set, exactly the same elements. Siyempre kung exactly the same element siya, parehas din yung kanyang number of cardinality. Kaya nga siya ang equal sets ay lagi po siyang equivalent because since they have the same elements, automatic, same din yung kanyang number ng cardinality. Let's have number 2. Equivalent sets are always equal. Kailangan balikan mo yung definition. Ano kaya ito? True or false? That is false. Bakit kaya siya false? Kung babalikan natin yung definition, di ba? Yung equivalent sets ay tumutukoy doon sa bilang ng cardinality. Samantalang yung equal ay tumutukoy sa parehas na elements. Ibig sabihin niyan, may mga equivalent sets kasi na hindi parehas yung kanilang elements. Kaya nga, equivalent sets are always equal is false. Let's have number 3. Equivalent sets may not be equal. Ibig sabihin yan, that is true. Because, kung babalikan natin ang equivalent sets, pwedeng may magkaparehas mismo yung kanilang elements at may mga pagkakataon na hindi parehas. Kaya nga siya, equivalent sets may not be equal. That is true. Okay, with that, another concept, we have this universal set, subset, and proper subset. So pag sinabi natin universal set is a set that consists of all elements being considered in a particular problem. The universal set is denoted by the symbol U, yung capital letter U natin. Ibig sabihin lamang yan, pag sinabing universal, yun yung pangkalahatan, the totality of the given set, or that is the elements in a set. So we have this example. Meron ako ditong if set A, the elements are 1, 2, 3. Set B, the elements are 2, 3, 4. Set C, the elements are 3, 5, 7. Ibig sabihin yan, meron akong tatlong elements. Ang tanong, ano kaya ang universal set ko? Susulat mo lang siya. Then, the universal set of the set A, B, and C, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Okay, ano yung ginawa ko? Remember, inilista ko lang or pinagsama ko lang lahat yung elements na nasa set A, set B, set C. But make sure hindi pwedeng maulit. Remember, distinct element dapat. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng universal set. That is the consist of all elements. Let's have another example. If set B, the elements are A, B, C, set E, the elements are D, E, and set F, the elements are F, G, H, I. Okay, pagsasamahin lang natin siya doon sa loob ng isang open-close braces. Okay, ito ngayon yung ating universal set. We have these elements A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Don't forget to separate by comma and enclose by braces. And take note, no, distinct element. Kapag may kaparehas yung letter dyan, isang beses mo lang isusulat dito. Okay, that is how to name or write a universal set. So, can be taken as the universal set. Yun yung ibig sabihin ng universal set. So, another concept, dito naman tayo sa subset. Pag sinabi natin subset, if A and B are two sets, and every element of a set is also an element of set B, then A is called a subset of B. It is written in symbol as A is a subset of B. Ang ibig sabihin nito, pag sinabi natin subset, bahagi. Kung mapapansin natin, di ba, yung A dito, yung element na nasa set A, bahagi din siya ng set B. Kaya nga ito po yung symbol natin. Part siya doon sa set B, yung elements. Okay. The symbol, ito, pag binasa ko to, ibig sabihin yan, stands for is a subset of, or pwede mo siyang sabihin is contained nasa element din, ibig sabihin nun. Okay, example natin, we have set A, the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B, the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you are going to observe, yung elements ba ni set A na 1, 2, 3, 4, makikita ba doon sa set B? If that is yes, we can say that all elements of set A are subset or contained of set B. Therefore, the symbol is A is a subset of B. Another example. Set M, the elements are A, R, T. Set N, the elements are D, A, D, R, A, F, T, or yung drop. Don't forget, no, kailangan meron po siyang separated by comma. Always remember. And therefore, titignan mo ngayon, yung elements ba ni set M ay makikita natin sa set N. If that is yes, we can say that all elements of set M are contained or subset siya ni set M. That is now the symbol. Set M is a subset of set M. To identify the number of subsets of a given set, use the formula 2 raised to n. Ibig sabihin yung n po dito sa formula na to is the number of elements of the given set. Ito po yung formula natin kapag hinahanap natin yung bilang ng subsets doon sa given set. Mamaya gagamitin po natin ito. But before that, let's talk about first the proper subset. Pag sinabi naman natin proper subset, if A and B are two sets, then we can say that A is called the proper subset of B. If, take note, no, kailan natin masasabing proper subset ang isang or yung dalawang set na yan? If every element of A is also an element of B, what does it mean? And B contains at least one. Ibig sabihin yan, kapag meron tayong dalawang set, kapag yung una, yung mapapansin natin doon sa una, no, meron siyang element na makikita doon sa pangalawang set mo. Pero yung pangalawang set mo, meron siyang at least, ito yon, at least one element which is not in the first element set mo. Okay, para makita natin, we symbolize this concept by as A is a proper subset. Itong symbol na to, ang tawag po dyan is proper subset of B. Okay, example natin. The elements of set A, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, while set B, the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you're going to observe that all elements of A are present in set B, but pag tinignan mo naman si set B, meron siyang element, yun yung 5, na hindi makikita doon sa A. Kapag meron tayong at least one, ibig sabihin ng at least merong isa, dalawa, or mahigit pa, automatic, ang sagot po natin doon ay we can say that A is a proper subset of B. It is written in symbol A is a proper subset of B. Bakit? Because there is at least one element which is not found in set A. Okay, let's have number 2. Set M, the elements are A, R, T, while set N, the elements are D, R, A, T. Kailangan meron po siyang separated by comma, don't forget. So if you're going to observe that all elements of set M, yung A, R, T, di ba makikita po siya doon sa set N or present siya doon. But if you're going to observe, doon naman sa set N, meron siyang element Yun yung D tsaka F, which is not present doon sa set M. Therefore, we can say that set M is a proper subset of N. It is written in symbol M is a proper subset of M because there is at least one. Meron siyang dalawa dito, D at F, na hindi makikita dito sa set M. Kaya ang tawag po doon ay M is a proper subset of N. Okay, so ngayon balikan natin kanina doon sa formula, no, doon sa subset or pag-identify. To identify the number of subsets of the given set, use the formula 2 raised to n where n is the number of elements of the given set. Para makita natin yung application, ito po yung ating example. Find the number of sets of A, B, C, and D. So, ito yon. So, first, meron tayong first column. We had the given set, followed by number of elements, list of subsets, and number of subsets. So, kumpletuhin natin to. Dito muna tayo sa number 1. Yung set A natin is equal to, ano ang tawag sa symbol na to? Remember, this is empty set. Ang empty set, pwede siyang nakasulat na open close braces or pwede rin to. So pag binilang ko yung element niya, di ba sa definition kanina, finite set siya. Ibig sabihin niyan, ilan ba yung number of na elements niya? Automatic 0. Kasi wala siyang laman, wala siya element. So list of subsets, pag nilista mo yan, automatic, yung empty set din. Pwede naman yung open close braces or pwede naman to. It's up to you. Number of subsets. Paano ko malalaman yung number of subsets? Di ba balikan natin kanina. To identify the number of subsets, use the formula. Ito po yung formula natin. 2 raised to n. Constant po yung 2 dyan. Ang pinapalitan lang po yung n. Ano ba yung n natin? Yun yung number of elements. So dito natin susulat ngayon. So susulat lang natin 2. Kopyahin mo yung 2 because that is the formula. Tapos 0. Saan nanggaling yung 0? Yun yung number of elements. Di ba sabi number of elements, yun yung n mo. Since 0 yan, isulat mo doon sa exponent. 2 raised to 0. What is the simplified of 2 raised to 0? That is automatic 1. Any number raised to 0 is 1. Let's have number 2. Set B, the element is 3. Pag binilang ko yan, ilan ba yung number of elements? Siyempre, isa lang yung element. List of subsets, ililista mo siya. Okay, so that is empty tsaka 3. Tandaan natin, no? Sa set, in every set, empty set is always included. Kaya meron po siyang empty, tapos yung 3 na elements natin. Then, find the number of subsets. Using the formula again, 2 raised to n, or that is, replace natin, substitute, 2 raised to 1. Saan nanggaling yung 1? Ito po yon. Yung 1 na number of elements. Kaya 2 raised to 1, ibig sabihin niyan, that is 2. Or that is simply 2 yung answer natin. Kasi, ni-raise mo lang siya sa 1, isang beses lang yon. Let's have number 3. Set C, the elements are A, B. Pag binilang ko yung number of na elements, dalawa, yung A, B. List of subsets. Ililista mo ngayon siya. Okay, take note. In every set, empty set is always included. Kaya nandyan lagi yung empty natin. Tapos yung A, B, take note, separated by comma, enclosed by braces, single muna, then double. Yung A, B. Meaning to say, yan na yung list of subsets mo. Ngayon, hanapin natin yung number of subsets using the formula, yung 2 raised to n, copy mo ulit yung 2, tapos yung 2 na exponent, nanggaling po siya dito sa number of elements. Kaya nga 2 raised to 2. What is the equivalent or what is the value of 2 raised to 2? That is meaning 2 times 2 and that is equal to 4. Ibig sabihin meron siyang 4 na number of subsets. Let's have number 4. Set B, the elements are C, A, R. Pag binilang ko yung elements niya, there are 3 elements. And if you're going to list all the subsets, isusulat lang natin, kasama lagi yung ating empty set. So, that is empty, yung C, A, R. Single yan. Tapos ngayon naman, doon sa double. C, A, magkasama sila sa isang open-close braces, separated by comma. CR, then RAR. Then, yung tatluhan, isa lang yung tatluhan natin, CAR. Then, isusulat naman natin yung number of subsets. Always remember, use the formula that is 2 raised to 3. Okay, kung mapapansin natin, lagi po 2 ang ating base. Yung exponent lang ang nagbabago because the exponent here is the number of elements. 3 po kasi ito, kaya 3 ang nandito. Meaning to say, yung 2 na base natin, i-multiply mo ng 3 times sa sarili niya. Kaya that's 2 times 2 times 2. That is equal to 8. Yan ngayon yung ating number of subsets, list of subset, number of elements of the given set. Ang tanong, paano ko malalaman kung tama ba yung nakuha kong sagot? Okay, observe natin. Kung mapapansin natin, di ba, titignan mo dito sa column na number of elements tsaka number of subsets. Kailangan magparehas ang ating nakuha sagot. Ibig sabihin, ilan ba yung ating number of subsets dito? Okay? I mean yung list of subsets. Ibig sabihin kung ilan yung nakalista dito, kapag sinulat natin yung numerical number niya, no, or that is value, parehas. Since ito ay 1, kailangan isa lang din ang nakalista. Since ito ay 2, kailangan 2 yung nakalista. Di ba? Parehas lang. Ito ay 4 ang number, ibig sabihin 4 po yung nakalista natin. Ito ay 8, meaning to say 8 dapat ang nakalista dito. Check natin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is correct. So meaning to say, pag ang tinatanong, what are the subsets? Ililista mo. Pag ang tanong, what is the number of subset? Ibig sabihin niya, gamit ka ng formula natin. Ito po yung formula natin. 2 raised to n, where n is the number of elements of the given set. So with that, I hope you learned something about the concept of sets. So